Yorua, or 3 months a Waga Kasi. Oh, bye.
Yeah, but for 540.
Yeah. Hey, 5K day, money there go. Money there go 5K day. Only 1 month.
If I broke now, I do pay money. I will have a good way.
I want to go to the money. You go where, honey.
Oh, why?
You go where I want.
You know why?
Don't you go where
I
want. Papa Nora, he said,
Saga, not my member. Oh, yeah, men lose the party.
Oh, yeah, be what?
Oh, my goodness.
Yes, yeah. I not get back, but my house and even Luenia. Say because say we are put on. I they take money. I know they use that near. See
Unity.
5K and don't wow. Oh, go Unity.
Oh, but
Unity believe ye be.
Oh, but you
believe ye be Unity.
Oh, but you 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 That about everybody. Again, wisdom of Zuana. I don't know, what my bag. What my bag and what I'm away. Bien de go so not clear. Me ye go my way wisdom of Zua. Me still do saga with presenter like me ye bian. That more updates no Zua. Of ye or we are recording here. Or was so ye for years. Or Matty police federal or near the motion where they are going to police. If they claim glory of what people do had. If I know what we need, I beg you away. He declared the degree, and that's why he called police. Why you not call the police? Me, I could be not your play, pata. I'm more updated. No, bourgeois. Europe time must stop. Europe time must stop. I'm more. I am bege. Who see why when I see who? But over Europe time must stop. But my way party get already. I try. I be really no give matter. I don't lie you. Will I lie for you? I will not lie for you. My show was cancelled. The next day, I still do one. Even if it's not one person come, if I could be you don't know say not be that will happen. If I'm not running, but now for the crash, you know get what we do now. No girl. Also one that way. To try.
If you have beer, as they kaki, river not the dry. Amen. And yellow wow, no others than a yellow wow. You don't know. Exactly.
Melanco can be one
again. You know that we generally save. I want to go do passport for my children next week. You go make and yeah, we passport anymore. You know, there no who. Passport for 3 children. Calculate how much passport on the cost.
What the West Saga?
Got money come out. I go do passport for.
What I left. What I was Saga born a boy. If you have 541. He have boss 540. Who are the Saga now? Born a boy. Or Bob Bivoué.
Oh, with the a wisdom of my beer.
Wisdom made the West Saga. Umaido, okay, my way saga. We no more. You don't want to do saga.
Them
Webia, Wonya Moa.
Sharon, send me those records. Sharon, a record in the yard to see where. Sharon, send the call.
Saderi, Venoya, Muye, if you know,
a happy photo, a happiness.
Wagbell,
a happiness. Although ye have a boo boo. See many.
Wow,
see you might be.
You will be rats.
See you might be.
My wife was
not with 1 year. My God, tell me say, Mama, I don't do okay, I diet. Oh, 1 year. And Mama, I don't do okay, diet. I go there.
You are 35. My wife is 36. Because I be your friend.
I go to call her pa. I go to call her pa. Because you pull your mama for us.
Where's the panel?
No good baby daddy. No good baby no leg hair. No good belly hair. No good belly yet baby daddy. No good belly yet baby daddy. Happy. No good happiness. Happiness. No good happiness. Your wow. A bit daddy soon.
I'm feeling no. Where they use it, they borrow money. And the way they your platform. All you know, Zua like Mofine. Me a violé bring the boyfriend come adore. Oh, we go let's say I. Oh, we go let's have violé a shorty over Jimmy and shorty. On your climb platform way. I'm ready, Evie. But no tieni we may set this if we may be. Because if we may, you mass away.
Yes, document to the get. For beauty or the get for speaking English or the get
what I'm gonna say
in here.
What about no say?
I go say here. He want my table ni.
What about no say?
He have a heart problem.
Where I go to soon.
He want a heart problem.
What about no say? Wisdom.
Shadow, what you
I hate you with passion.
Shadow, when are you coming? We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you.
I don't like you. I the best for you. I can never forgive you. Yeah, where? You say, when not you say I cover my drink.
Hey.
If I need put in a
see wisdom, brother, see get when he beat. Hotel no re. Go on not be. Yeah. And in the family, and one show la. And one show Go on not be. And in the family. And in the family.
I post on a later.
And one show. And in the family.
Mowa Saga.
And in the family.
Mowa Saga.
And in the
Saga.
Money kuomi.
Evni meu.
Money kuomi.
Saga ni meyario kwa.
Someone na.
Oh yeah,
that's it. I never carry body clean up my children. I can't even do for bath. Oh, I pure body, pure body. For bath, it's so. I go where that be more for. I got me a recolor your job. Or me go here was here. You know we recolor no. Or we know mommy we wait for 4 hair. Mommy we wait for 4 hair. E did not do it. The woman no work do it. Your back clean. He buy for bath. If you now book barely for bath any bieka. Or Gina we are my skin ya. On a press for battle, myself, by Mr. Boy. In a way, dear me now, do you go Africa cream with more? Even myself, say 3 years ago, I stopped Africa cream. Because if I get Berlin, none of my friends will be like Otutu, because in Africa cream, make I stop her. Now say, go back, dear, go back, baby, I they use. You say, Big Daddy. Say na bleaching, it is bleaching picking. Oh, where happiness is called for blacky. Oh, where a big daddy, a quack come, no, it's not also belle woman, they are both belle for us. If ye, when conversion, what you're picking for ye, hey, man, je couille, may not pick some kind to now. You can't have me say, I'm Nora, oh, where's the boy? Ye Nora, oh, where's the boy? I can't pick some kind of I can't use that bath if ye that day. They can't call the for the now, Mwesheni. They can't go brick shade. What do you say? You say like your husband, mama. You say like your husband, mama, na eat one. No go, we're not fear, concussion, and figure. I ain't the fear attack again. My picking gets pretty. Now my heart is for take because I be strong stammer.
Yes,
oh, where I'm here. As problem. I better not why everybody know. Now I'm picking for take. Yes, and make sure I know. Now the lap say when I bury, I make a dirty mule eh. Yeah, buegbe. Wisdom I win to wana. Bonny give one.
Hell,
boy nigga one. You don't see the colors. Make a or for make a pour for your face. Target I'm very near Yahweh. Ubiamene, Mudia near music here, Ubiamene. One, a France who came with Corey, Bashaguna Mweko. The other one, what's a bonny, Okusoni? 2. Yeah. The last one, the third one. The third one. And mad because you were so desperate to have boy. Yeah. If you born boy, if you get belly, you born go the vest. If you want get belly, you go the vest. You don't go back clothes. You don't buy anything. You say like you get your third baby belly, we could be boy. So I am your papa no matter me that picky for be boy.
Yes, ma'am.
No pastor when you not call, make that picky for the boy. I call you say una get mad to handsy. I'm not because me not get how not they do. No, use the cry for boy. You call the call. You said before you go stand. Scam. You so sick, but behavior. Who so sick the lera? Who not so the king? Who work check your bar? Who are so sick? Who work on one man? You got see when no go bia. You go sad. Who glay is scam? You na work bia no namu. Where? Who not ye so? What you want? Say to you, body boy now. What have you achieved? Since you get that Christmas baby boy, what have you achieved? What have you achieved? You don't know how many goats may you keep when you get boy. You don't know how many fowl when you get your third, your second bikini believe you bought this third will be boy. So I said, una vie. Look on. You go crack. I say you see get more chance so. Now 2 pikin you don't born so first one and get this second one and get that time you no can't get belly together. You get the second one belly when you get heart problem so you say if you dey breathe because now small pikin, they put something for your body. Doctor say it's okay. You as mama call they say, your baby not okay. Now doctor call you say, if you get this thing, if they sleep next time, may you record them. You send me that thing, my phone full. I don't know, say this time go come. Oh, Gima. Now, you know, my before. When no way I know. Oh, no, yeah, way. Oh, you can already 5 years before you even. Oh, no, yeah, way. Every year, one must so just that's the best. I must so admit it where. So, say, where you got home, water. Why, so why no come again? You know, Nora. In my war hospital, my sister, my hospital, one ham or vitamin. The food they only go they eat if I get belly. You say, Mama Nora, you dey try. Your video will be hand. Oh. Okay, don't get them back. Mama Nora, you dey try. In a way, way, co anadolo moi. What time will cause my baby speech delay because of too much labor? I was so stressed out in labor. Now I even look again, say the thing not even affect my beautiful daughter more than that. Because I spent how many hours in labor. Go it. Too much of labor can affect pikin. Are you made or so to go baze? Una gbokpa don't be. Una gbegwiri don't be. Go no be na. What have you achieved? What have you done? What have you contribute? Eken guje ujeje. Where for come me to now? Where for come me to now? Now Jonah sit there. I was even praying for you. Pray for you guys. May God do it for me. May I be like una. I don't know say my heaven case go even pass una. Oh, you see good heart. You see good heart because you got little ne. He bewe. I just my picking gets pretty late. You say my whole good. Oh go where me I work and give you. Now here we support say una dey fear to do operation. They say cooperation 50-50. No. Because say Oibo they are very smart, they are wise, they are no fools. They are not fools. 50-50. You say I carry my pikin come out. No way I go cut it tongue. If you ever happen a batting, when my me on here if you ever happen a batting, oh where go can go lorry for. Where I can wall of the floor. You they fear and no know what they sign paper. Make they do scan, make they do your picking. Or where I got here was so move wiggy. Every time they want to do better, they must admit there. May do our better no more. Who may do our better no more. Imagine me just because say I prefer no matter share for my children, but your children admitting ya. So tell you got talazia. Because it was too much. Now, J.J. who a monarch Mario, who vitamin, nothing, who salad, who fruit, who are sick bear. Look at yourself now. Look at yourself. Who look yourself at the gym that day. They say, Mama Nora, and no gay is not complaining. I say, not be no gay. I'm doing it for myself. For myself, may I take care of my children. My gym is still ready. That's why they do my gym for us. My gym is still ready. I'm even thinking yourself, I be make go could go on. I be make I live on. Wow, you feel carry weight. You feel carry hammer. We are team we hammer apart for Sembo, no I fear. What you feel carry? Apart for kia no who no I team you wait. Then you get team. They look at him. Well, I work on her. I work on me, but oh, where case when I get I work on her. I work on her. Or me. Mama, take away when I was surgery. No more, no more make an idea, okay. I got so. What I did some when if other forgot it, in a salad. Yeah, I did salad. Salad, get salad, or no salad with cream. Salad with tuna fish, better tuna fish. Mama Nora, I wish my wife would feed and eat all this kind of food now. I wish I never see man with I never see good man. You gotta lead on me, or the phone friend on me, yeah. When I call him, when he live another phone, the phone got lady, or the van again, or the phone go on to talk, you're a teacher. Mama Nora they cook. Mama Nora they cook. Everywhere guy. Everywhere guy. And that for my so oh no muladian. Oje wo he na me naria. Oh na me, oh na me naria no see. You not trust your husband towards your children. You not trust your friend. My friend go call, they will wear pints. Yes. I say it's washy. I say go wear pints. And they call my husband and say, only can't touch nyash. Only can't touch nyash. Not be there risk. Only can't touch nyash. I say go give my husband and that's when my husband touch. He get go they laugh. I'm not too yeah. I'm not leave me, bro. Not be trust rich yeah. Before person come and see wear pants, and the time I'm gonna say, only can't touch nyash. See nyash says so. See nyash. All of us go they laugh. Cause my husband take that girl as a junior sister. But if my baby father, he don't toast her. Now make I say my husband not the womanize. He not the womanize. People say, Nora, why you go like? I say, where? I know my wife born for. I say no be la mumu the dinner for me. But you see all those, they use that they singers. Lie. Or person who don't know me. Person who make they talk. My husband will cause he get me, say me go toast her. Oh, go bazaar. How beautiful no man pet. Now one stay now go get that big problem. Now one bed in a married woman. And the married woman with pain. Married woman with pain. I tell my husband, if they settle ya less, if they settle ya less why? Una settle. See, I get gift and when God give me say, before something happen, they see him. You go come here, you go drink. Uri okmadeke, uri okwe, uri who. I go supermarket. I go buy brush. I go make custard. I come fry one chicken. The chicken be like akara. Go they make kwaka. I come fry and put. You go do something for us. You say we can't pay you. We go really pay you. If get marriage, you we pay ma. Marriage clothes you pay. I tell my husband say this marriage clothes don't they do bestirage. Wisdom, you don't pay marriage clothes. Beds where we buy. Wisdom confess. Opportunity, just seize the marriage clothes. Friend for benefit. Friend with benefit. You know where Nora, every marry group more. We know say confess bed for us. Maybe use the money to replace. I know clothes na 100 euro. Now 100 euro. Papa invite face bed. I know they say only liver. Unamu. After my marriage, you reach 3 months before your wife is 100 or brick come out. You know that lao, you may go, a social pay, you pay, no jigger social feed. No jigger social feed. A TikTok in a live where click the yellow basket or the vocal lazy 200 equality last week. Now I take click the yellow basket. You think we are playing, we are cashing out. You think we are playing? But we are fooling ourselves as people talk, say, clean the yellow basket. We are making money. I'm a worker to TikTok. I work for them. We are working for TikTok. We make our cool cash. 200 of fair to Nigeria. Fair to Nigeria means I say, I'm free, be like free. They will say, give me something for free. I go see, patronize them for free. But what's your woman do? I might see a click on the yellow basket. Or no, we are the same better smooth than I don't drink. You marry right, but your woman don't eat 3 times. You want diet. You want blame Mama Nora. You don't eat 3 times. Click the yellow basket, they pay us cool cash. Yours they play, be playing. Be playing. My power nothing. Lazy soul. Lazy soul. I was say, who fear them, Mama Sonia? Mama Sonia, what they got when na mama? Mama, yes, a guy, mama. You know why you are settled in mama? You know why you are settled in na? You know why you are settled in mama? Mama, next time, well, Mama, next time, well. When as there fight for you rich. Okay, said to us no, there. You use the table. Peter where, not by where, they say, no one phone, no one people, no one dread the eye together. Man, they settle.
Yes.
I tell her. My God must fight me. Because I see beyond. I have that spirit. Because I know weak for spiritual. I'm into spiritual life. Now my God beg me, man, not they do the thing they come out. No, I get person will be see they sow it for my life. Yes. Yeah, I be like Pastor Tora. If they sow seed for me, yes, man, not what say I want. I best send me your account. I go really work for that for million of night. The thing go call to pass. Hey, why me when it's so easy to get life even? Ah, Allah. I mama got now no general yegbele. You know that yegbele. I tell her, I say only a wisdom. Where I grew now was stay clear for her. My God say, hey, you want to girl? You want to start? My friend, what did my friend do me? Men, it's something they happen. Say you get girlfriend, that wife, they not kill the spirit for spiritual. Now your girlfriend go first see her. Now your wife go first see her. Everybody when my girlfriend on bed friend, when they don't say if you get will take close to my God, I go sleep for your matter overnight. Don't try me. He get where you take close to her. I go sleep for your matter. I sleep on top wisdom matter. Now I see her. Everything about her. Spiritual, now I see wisdom. When you talk that word, say your wife don't like our friendship. You know lie. Yeah. I don't know what my husband tell you. If he really tell you, now truth, I really talk him. I tell you to stay clear from you. Stay away from Jew. You know good wagbo. A boy la no an boy. My God say, my brother, and I say, brother na kaya si ogia we la you mana tete. A brother kaya si ogia we la you mana tete. So I follow my husband the verse. He pour for something go scatter. Area scatter like be. If I follow my husband the verse. La egba. Once I talk and say egba. When he egba spiritual and physical. Me no ve fi kunu wonu waya lin waya we. Go no call him remedy. Ama Nora, what I want to you okay pick this one. Pick her. O say je me iri ga bogie. E je me kama we gi ajo me we o gi kwe me myself la juju me o. E bo me wo e wo go me we bo me. If you too set your revieze. That's how they do are rich. Ga igbewe. Ga gbokpa. I wanna, Mama go to pray on me. Say on your beg. No. Before the adult see her. He beg any. Is there no way we may make before me go carry belly. When you do saga, I'll go and work on people let no see you get belly. You bring belly come out. You not see me. Here you boy a corre. Person tell me, say, Mama Nora, see you they press me. I know they see her. That's what you go back. What you go back. Spring up for your room. In the African shop. I will go over. I will go over. A yard African shop. A yard rest mama Cassie. Hero, a yard giveaway. He can't bash you with son of man. He can't bash you. We make from my merry bay. Oh, money. You have to go. Oh, what walking no give back? They don't try to keep my enemy to go for no game. I no fit. Okay, rebel one. Yeah. Una don't try. Now make one I born. Una try. As I boy can't get eternal bleeding. Yeah. They see her. And that's so that thing they do there. They know they see her because they don't blend the true spiritual. I blend the true spiritual. I told you guys, say spiritual control the physical. And you know, results are not okay. If you don't believe in spiritual, I'll go quit meet you. Spiritual control the physical. Take it or leave it. I tell my husband about this boy. Stay clear for these rats. Stay clear for this boy. This boy is not your friend. My God almost fight me that day. Nora. I know they like this thing way they do. My friend will they help me. Now I say I don't see more on they play. I don't want to see this boy for this house again. I don't want to see her. It's not going to feel happy. My God challenge me. Like me not say more no play again. Say somebody don't feel advise you. Me say make this boy not too clear for this house. Now I make her want relocate. I tell her say I want to relocate go Canada or anywhere. I say because now you go join the world. Narrator say now just be pursue one. I haven't seen the paper. I can't read that for them. Just because say me carry children, make it wrong. Now I make the relocate to. Now I make her narrate myself first. Say I want to relocate to English country. As I tell you that thing, you say, Mama Nora, You when you get document, you dey the location. My woman, you're for straight for Jamie. Go, no go. Come, no come. Now I say no, Papa, if your boy not be the same. And some people they fear to start for square one. Me, square one, I'm not scared. After many years in Italy, I don't go Nigeria, come back. I they enter flat like as they enter bus. I can't start for square one for Jamie. I put one for Dran. They ask me question again. What make you leave Africa? I shop asylum. I talk everything. I be one by Papa. I go say okay, make I shop asylum, make I take home myself. Before the Papa settlement go ready, before I know the young great myself, boom! I say, my pikin no want me be another person name. My pikin no want people go say, Mama Nora, carry passport. Now I go tell the government say, not be this man give me belle. You go fit do, you go fit try. Now government insist mo go do DNA. Yeah. And I accuse when I government. Now you put one sign now say go for DNA because I feel hide my baby papa. Make I take balance. Yeah. I no get sense. Why I mean tough now your day together. Go no go. Come no come. Nothing. Wow. I mean, what could tell those ones say, you could get yes, I was having internal bleeding. Then they destroyed it for Nigeria. But doctor see my own. Doctor see my own. Waga fi gbe ya fi eguwa. Waga fi gbe ya fi eguwa. Where been a me ya o. Izo boitio mo boto bowe. Ewi ya gweme. Eye do gweme. Orwe gweme. Ikpele be gweme. Ewi ya na ya lo gweme. Iya nwi ewe gboa. Iya nwi ogboa. Iya nwi ogboa. That man papa mama na wish. Enoge when me go work as zeno. God no go call me wish because we don't try. We don't try. How can you? We are for no Jew. I come for Italy. They use my Italian documents. They come. Now there una still there. Any way. Because your baby father say your heart is full of jealousy. Your heart is full of jealousy. I bet Tracy talk your better big drug belly me and like welcome on get that. The man shall be too talk. Come on, get that for here. Come and meet your life. No mercy, don't know. You the mad. Okay, you follow on 4 person. Now I said person to do this one. Person to do this one. Mama, I'm already coming down here, but my beg in the time. Hey, down. Don't try me, go come and dream. I'll beat you. Wow. I say, so I say that can happen. You go on your body, I want to send him as soon as so avant. I remember I crave a picky call your what's happen. When I hear my life with there, you can't enter my picky mat because I carry a come house of bad luck. Says that did I ever step leg in your house? Did I ever step leg in your house? You want to grade my tooth when you use that up the eye green? Where I not green order for warning me? Your husband, I want me, man, not let you enter here. Let us bring 1,000 come out. 1,000 too big. Bring 500 come out. Do I think? Real lads do I think? Document zero borrow where? Where they never give you a document? Where? Equate down. Yawo we surgery and make na benuwa. Through your baby, poor blood, they go give you a document. I get baby, I didn't know where. I get baby, I didn't know where. Go do your pikin surgery. And then you got to put it up. I shock all over laver. Et donc à Jenny Wero, Genèse, et donc à Jenny Vieux. Mais nous il fait wa moué de tia d'agoni, ou de tenir au gavé. Il fait qu'il y a un courrier au wao. Que vous sommet bien au moment. Oh va quoi bien. Oh quoi bien. Oh begui bokba. Ami no magbe. After the baby boy, now what happened? Did the German government increase your money? Hell no. The German government give you document? Hell no. The German government look your case and say, oh, this woman, you have been looking for a boy child. Now you finally have it. Ọmọ no swear city now. Ọmọ no back begwe now. Ọmọ no jeze now. Baba, you may just come o. Wala owo, wagia okbia. Wala owo, wagia okbia. Isha wamewe, imana biokbia, ime mare. Isha wamewe, imana biokbia. Ovi ye tiri eme, ina we isha walk ya tea. Now your mother-in-law want talk her. Now your mother-in-law want talk her. Ekioba una viere ele bega. Ugwani ya leo nuya biokbia. Ujeze no ya very yo. Made the let you born boy. The boy now because of sacrifice. Oh you want me. A little boy is not behaving like a baby. A little boy is not behaving like someone that is kilometer. Why your boy am agbon yo kani. Odonu abio a boy now ozua. Odonu abio biano agbon mama. You get like this? No. Or maybe this is my document. No. Driving license how many years? He gets her? No. Wait till your baby father gets with the desperate to the go juju. Say you want born boy. He not there. He not there. I mean, we never pop people come up now. Before I life, do not go pop people come up. I mean, I feel a lot of people have chip. You do attend boy wow. Whenever they accept people now, you do attend boy wow. Only us. I tell you, say we be saga. We be saga. If you say a thief 3 boss, I don't be 3. Now 5. Now 5 boss, they talk. Are you mad? Why they laugh for me? I say now 3. No, say now 5. You say a thief 2 boss, are you okay? 3 egg. If you happy 3 egg. E do view. 3 egg now a thief 5 bosses. You hear me? You say my husband thief like this for me. Not be 1, now 5. You know, you see the risk when you go. You know, get money, I thief for me. Any risk you will say if you shock. But you might back by my beg wicked bielemo. You might see sa, you can bielemo. You might have very any beggar, you can bielemo. If you make worry, go and check. Speech will not be disease, but heart problem is a barrier. It's a disease. Where motor, where mixture for the play, mixture they play, it dim. Or go and view more level. Make that big music, me not go bust up a key heart. I mean, you want to, me we are having. Or go and view more like in a noisy jar. Can a musician again like me? But you feel carry your children go there. You feel carry go there. Go and ask fancy money. How much I take first my house? I put up for my status. You say, Jamie, oh, Nora, you use money for a year. Oh, I rush, don't they rush the builders? If I like, I use 10 years to builders. That house, I'm not going there. I'm not the hurry. I rush the bowa. And what I tell you, say, don't rush and build your house. Little. Say you get the excess money. Say you not get the money. Hey, I'm going to meet you, bowa. Or walk ya boy. Kere, if you have a roof, met's 1 room or 2 room. Me and mama go. Therefore, there you call the door. They don't show you don't true. For you know when, now I face my house because I know the following anybody they do competition. I have children. I'm taking care of. My money okay. I had to go me why ni money work it ya bowa or one stage. While ask me be say so to go ever spoil. I me go repair. But they say tank boss that day. Now me they call we go repair. Now go pack money full Nigeria house. If you go I don't feel build that so my man on the rent. Only that one alone. Okay. If they ever pack us go Nigeria, see an ask rent, it don't solve. Ask rent. Fear back flat. I will say, okay, mama, may I go back flat? Mama, we are all down flat. May I carry my children go back flat? The ask rent, it don't solve. But me you go Nigeria now if it's shock, if it's easy. I don't relocate go Nigeria now. May I for Nigeria work my visa to any country. This is an abyss. This is not a joke. I want to relocate, go Nigeria. Man from Nigeria, find my visa. Want to take care of my children, go English country. This is not moi. Now a joke. Now day job. Now one day job. Your husband say, oh, and my wife don't get paper. You know what come up for this place. Me say go try. If my wife here come up for this place, I love feel happy. If my wife here come up for this place, I love feel you happy. I say, Mama, you the reason my husband say you're for not tell wisdom. And I say, honey, you say wait. If I relocate, wisdom go dey pray more na saga, go dey pray more na quarrel. You go come tell the say na Jamie pursue me. You don't wanna be friend. People come say, no be lie, oh, they really close, oh, na Jamie really pursue am, oh, no be lie, oh, no be lie, oh. Now make I tell you, call you. Say next year I go relocate, go Nigeria. For Nigeria, I take my visa before I come for here reach Nigeria. My visa is ready already. Now to you call that special must carry my visa, move, pew. Now you dey many place, go no go, come no come. Now you dey Germany, Deutschland. France no favor you. You enter Deutschland. Deutschland no favor you. You pack 4 children, Arturo. No paper, you born 1. No paper, you born 2. No paper, you born 3. No, who do you? Na labubu do you? Happy. E labubu where? E labubu tie born where? Both 4 children for Aisa Adoro house, no documents. That one I console. I get my baby for Belen in a pure brother. I get my baby for Belen when they give me deportation bans. When they grant my Adoro, when they grant my asylum. I say shock you. She say, yeah, Nora, here went to Yadera. Like my sister, you can't take them there. I be one bear, no bear again. I will not they lie, no they lie. It's a wamudiagi out there, I cannot stress. As the young grasp me, I say, because go. Coronavirus all day. Anytime you have the man want to do paper, public go day. Man who no more jagbo, or money outside near one way. We all want go office go lock. We want go do something, they not go open. Play. Now the young grant me. It shock you. He shock you. He shock you. Now I say, Papa, I don't need a girl. Adoro, thank you for favor me. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you for answering my prayer. Adoro not document under 3 months and I vibrate on my ball. Also, they want to operate your baby chest. If they never do and now so much time remain, I can't join your mate, you they mad. Who know we are? Well and well they go where Musa. Well they go where Musa. If now we do a position, say with the buff for Adoro has no documents. Oh wow, my magbuane. You get 4 children, no documents. You get 5 children, no documents. I'm not around one boy. So say your husband because they beg me say man no boy again. I'm not no boy again. I beg. Anything make you born, my wife will say you want born. My wife say you want bottles, and your husband promise you. You see if your wife will bottles, you say no, you go buy that twist for her. Wisdom man waiting here while you bomb me where you be fever. Oh, but if you can't be on here. If you can't be on here. Now, Papa, if when you talk like this now, or when no be go born for me. No, God forbid. God forbid. That woman, if you want boy, go back. I might if that woman want boy, go back. I so see and so. That make me not better more. He get heart problem. Now, I've been at this children for see. Oh, where I don't know. If I can't give my children, no, now because your woman get heart problem. Uku no eguari uku, kawata ye no ra eguari uku. Every time you don't have your name, a mama di okay o. Ari uku na, uku na ga sowa ofile yakwa. Oga sowa ofile yakwa. Iwi ye ari uku. Ona Nigeria na mu ku edogyowa. Ona Nigeria na mu ku edogyowa ari uku. Uwo fule ko gwa ibiomo. E mo iku omi. emoga delegbegbe, emoga delegbegbe, iyaga delegbegbe. Ablas aga mokpa we no mokpa wa kwe. Ablas aga mokpa wi akwa ya mokpa wi akwe. Emono ga Pierre wa gbegbe. There we bo. Europe get power sha. There we bo. Iwa afia winya iya ye fia wo de. Iwe ka ye so ogu yo wa o. Esku via na fia wo. Ogo ya gbevie. Ogo ya gbaze. This generation life sine ivie aze ivie wazarie wazgamie wa wazarie aze sunbo wazarie sunbo wazarie sunbo esun ori omo nu gwan gwan awe aze egena any man no they would be this time they would say mommy the name no fair rich no sexy because there my mama never see her this generation say no they give picky as any name boy to pronounce no one we born of pronounce everybody as you can say no it's not as it's as get bo me know me eneli oreniebu Nadia ido ibone Nancy ido ibone Nora ido ibone tell no me say they no get binine my baby ne adesuwa owaro irisu na to azagbe ebe na kweni na kweni yo puwa write as for paper wa zeri na ayilala geles dem yo bo ayilala ogeles dem yo bo wa na mie wa na so wo bo emona ayilala ye no ma wuna do kyo bo ma wa na mie wa na so wo bo emona ayilala ye no ma o wuni do kyo bo ma wa na mie wa na so wo bo odo ayilala ave ayilala wa na mie wa na so wo bo ive guge igowe wa ya zo bofo me igo zobo so much na gay itota iruwe ikabashi me igo zobo obo mi gi me awa if I give mama for the money anything you want to do still I make her give you the money say do yes or no moto be make awe obo if can you sit down like this can you sit down like this as a little child can you sit down for your leg like this. Can you sit like this? You are if you sit down like this. Sit down. When you make me where I should do palestra for you. You may wear palestra. Maybe say the way body dey flexible because he will wait. He will waste exercising. He will healthy food. If you only this, just sit down like this. No, fold your leg. No, fold your leg. Fold down. See my don't see me. What begging me? If you no. Sit like this. Sit. Fold your leg for 30 minutes. Fold down. They talk. Fold down. They talk. Well, what photo we are we have one. Do I think? One lap your lap. One lap your where? You go anything do you with the smell. Your feet sit down like this. Where it's here? Go check up. Check it, boy. Go and do check up. Go and look your head. Let them take your blood test. May they do general full control for you and look what is wrong with you. On the edge of why say again me here. He get when you reach. Don't you pop. When people go, I know they kiss say come kiss. If I open my fridge, now call me poor woman. You can I don't eat rough again. I know they eat any again. Wow. Meat. Now because of say I don't want they imagine how single mother some of them. I take the fat. Because if I dare no ugly cook, ugly eat. I'm gonna prepare something for my children. I'm okay. If someone okay, who carry the watermelon and cover any. Before you eat any fruit, banana, you don't belly full. What is some more? I beg bless up here. I go live here. Asia, so single mother. I will not take get body. I will not take get people. I don't deal with man because now man they make person they cook. Man, if you want live here, what you very 30, you are eating like a coward. 32, you are eating like a fool. 33, you are eating like an elephant. As they eat, they carry mineral, they drink. They carry Red Bull, they drink. You take, you enjoy yourself. Eh? You enjoy yourself. See yourself now. Right. When they snap, get some picture when they snap. The picture not fine again. If you let me make a picture for you. Let me make a picture for you so that if you want to do saga, you want to put off your screen, you will see it put. Now don't screenshot. Now don't screenshot. Mama, if you're screenshot in there. Because the one that they use to they bully me, it don't too old. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. I don't screenshot her. Okay. Because that one don't too old. When I change picture, when I need new DP. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. Change your DP. Change your DP. That one don't too old. Change your DP. Change it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. Change your DP. Change your DP. Your DP not too old. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. You don't screenshot. In case you take the exchange. Who you exchange? Who you exchange? Because the one you are putting, those one don't too old. I don't like how you not need new picture. Oh no, they sit there bully Mama Nora. I love it when you are bullying me. I'm strong and healthy. May I play my shake up for you? And for you, shake up when they play my wear. Doctor say you are not just okay, you are healthy. Before doctor come say person there, you know what I'm eating? You know what I eat? How long you don't eat avocado rich? This avocado you don't how long you don't put off your belly? How long? How long? Wow. Wow. See my check up.
Just a moment, please.
No sense.
See my check up. My God, who they call say why you go put your head I go put on what did they happen? Only little last no, I go disobey. No.
To do with your children, and that is a problem for your soul, and you think your body won't work anymore.
Yeah.
But that's the reason. So it's nothing worse in your body. The organs are all right, and
you hear her? You see if I get any stress now, she dress stress. My organs are all right. Yeah. I get severe, they control my kidney. I don't play with my health because health is life. Health is life. Only sickness when they pray to God, man, not get. Sickness when they call they select food they eat. They call say, don't eat rice, don't eat this. Now make a they maintain her. Man, not gonna get sugar at the age of 50. May I plan for you? You go check up.
The blood parameters are also perfect.
Your blood parameter is also perfect. You hear her? I know they sick before I go do the check-up. They draw my blood, they carry my urine, they put something, check my kidney. Next month now, they go check my heart, put something inside my body, look my head to toe because children stress, not before children. Let me cannot use myself, my head. Now me every time Oga, only go they do check up. Very important. I know they use my head so they play because children stress. They'll do something. You go with the teeth. You they sick and you are not sick, but you need to be sure. And you got like banana four. And you got like banana four. You hear that?
Parameters are also perfect, so there's no reason to worry.
Okay.
Even I think your heart is also healthy. But
My heart is heavy. You hear that? When they drink alone, not remember when my heart got heavy. Eh? I put my people, my baby call. Don't call us. We say, wait till they eat for get belly. It's say my placenta they heavy. Now therefore, no say placenta. They are making use of it. They was praising my placenta because of the food I'm eating. Go be sure, go be the best. Wow. Boss, I had we are boy and wow. Boss, I said wow. On my head. Yes, so my sister. I post now, you can go my page and watch it. I post you can go my page and watch it. I'm so very strong ahead. When you put my blood pressure, everything wet because I'm Metina. I'm Metina.
You know
Everything about you is heady. Don't give it wow. If you have to boy away, if you have to feel a boy away, you want both way. The boy now, what have you done? What have you achieved? As you bought the boy now, what have you achieved?
Mommy, where's it?
Why let's not go out?
Mommy, Nora, only overbooby so too much.
Wow. I'm gonna say bien aussi. I'm gonna do work okay. I did not so spiritual, yes, so. As I said, they come. Most of them may pew. I don't know what you go fit take my enemy life. You see? Heady. How you wanted the heady? How? Wow. Might go, the no more your wow, or you're gonna move your wagon, that for me, or Kegbe, send at me. My husband of it try to like you there. He says he go down for her side. We go drag body. We go drag body as lele only too early. Which do not go to you. You go the cover trick. You go the cover trick. I go the clothes. And they wash you. They call they fold money. They fold for your hand. They for you will. Jealousy. Jealous.
My love is okay, it's okay.
You are full of jealousy.
It's okay, it's not too much.
Wow. Hotel Sarah when or every day for thief, one day for the owner. Don't worry.
If you yeah,
no,
you even know that one, please, Mama Laura. Not the
I go ask you one day. Don't worry. It's not
you know that one. There, we don't know that one. There, you don't do.
Who family? Vera, sorry, no verse. Vera the saga. Mugo de saga. Sarah the saga. Your sister, full family the saga. Full family they saga. Cannot be juju be that. If they are we will so drill a beramo.
It's not for your ass. You know the feet.
Ni where you got your way, my sister. You go to the take care of body.
Yes, very
this year, I really feel it. Last year, every year, they always feel cold. Because last years, my total they hot. But you see this year, when I say reduce a lot of fry, a lot of oil food. If I want fried fish, and they go air fryer, drink the oil come out. But they reduce a lot of things there, work on myself. You don't need to do only hospital, don't need to work on you. Work on yourself, not only hospital. When are you boy? When are you boy?
It's okay, my love. It's okay. It's okay.
Remember Italia.
Yeah.
Work on yourself. I stop a lot of fry. I stop a lot of.
Mama, why you dey saga me?
I got the head. I got the balance. This share cup was just 2 weeks ago. Not be last year.
Mama, why you dey saga me?
This share cup was just 2 weeks ago.
No one laugh.
Mama,
Lara, don't do.
See that name easy.
Mama, you dey saga me.
You want to answer Mama Twins?
No,
You want to answer Mama Twisty? One love you. One answer what ball. I want to go and boss about it, Jevana.
Lara, sir. Don't do.
I said, now I saw it so I said, now it day so. If I say come out, now fancy the wear. Now fancy the wear. I go leave me and my husband. I go shop. I go buy something. I'll go buy something. I tell my husband say, only cut touch I say nyash. Only cut touch I say nyash. Try with ways to don't marry Kialele. Try with ways to don't marry Kialele. Say, it can't be reserved. It can't be about Wag belele uwe yakia. Wag belele uwe yakia. Wag belele yakia. Pray we not get reserved. Ekia wake. Ekia hanuwe. Egbe wisdom. No. Okunuemu. I can't. No boy like you. No boy like you. We see the zeye. See your mama will go put for us. Okolega ya yoladia. Okolega present you webu. You go wear native. You will see there now. Me go wear native. Now when I want you to know say I be your girl. You go wear native. You go be like 50 years old woman. Who ye boo wear native? Ye bois. You go like the go ume. You go like the wakati ume. You joke ya who ye renti wo wa. Wa eji go ya wa ya sile lesi. Wa sile lesi. Wa sile lesi. Vele mamu janwo se wa mo gbegbe wa da fun o gbe aye se de mama so no se begbe de mo mi so no se begbe lo se to wa mo mi jeje ori ere fra asuri ere mama 20 no mu janwo wa so wa van mama 20 so fa ge ije no gboku mama u gboku oni u gbe aye se ogbo aye se family ogbo aye se o Senhor, fresh towel, no fresh towel. As you use that they buff, and they dump on. As you use the toilet they buff, and they dump on. Because they me wa vie me avec rien, ou wa vie bon rien.
English, no English.
Il me faut me towel fois.
If I see you,
et toi, a boy at home. Husband and wife when they use ojuju to they fight each other. How can you? Who see your da phone? See your da bo. Who see your da bo?
It's okay, my love. It's okay.
Go enter the phone. Let me see if I will see it. You gotta delete it so Bonnie what get there because I not get bad mind to anybody. Go to you send me. My phone too full, I go delete everything. You want to get there, okay. Oh.
The people will not know you, now I go see.
Oh. Yeah. My WhatsApp is there 24 hours delete. Oh. Yeah, shit.
Yeah.
Get meeting. Le meeting. Then, yeah, Untana voi, ne bologi bien voi. No, na ila la wako la voi. Awage. Then na jona, we na jona yi. Then na kwe we na jona yi. Ge, ivye, mo shi sit there. Awage bieka. Wagi bieka. I have a bear meeting. See. Sylvia, tu sais, mais soin, Even though say we dey inside public media, but the person will like private life. When this idiot come and say me I can't join a meeting, like I say, what you know they do? I all have my own private life. He say that they host, they'll go each other house, they go cook. Like I tell my oga say, you know, say if I now go my etal lover, who will eat for your ass? If you not talk and come out, nobody go here. I can't tell my husband say sometimes if these people jammer, they ask me some papers, I not break, they go seize all of us money. Like if I can't join now, you can't reach my host, my host. That period, I feel broke. I can't tell my husband say, I feel broke. I don't want to host the thing to their satisfaction. Now I say number 2, I don't like native. And number 3, you they see my children for media. I know they carry they go anyhow place. I know they carry my children. Me do marriage for her. My children not go that marriage because of too much torture. You don't know say now something reach here. When me you say we don't do it so. They don't follow us. They don't need to go that hall again because I know there is a lot of crowd. You can see, you cannot touch. Let my children be. You can see, you cannot touch. I know they expose them anyhow. I feel snap the picture, you go see the through your phone. But I don't expose them to different houses. I don't go to party. 9. I sacrifice myself for my children, for staying at home. So call me. Why I not gonna let they go party? Now I say, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to disrespect my husband. My husband not get right to tell me say I not go party. Now my whole decision. I don't feel carry my children they go anyhow place. No. I know they do one. You say, I am man, you will not say no. Sit there for picture, sit there for video, sit there through your phone. See it so. Say where do I your boy at me? Then I be so no. God say, yeah, you mama Nora, you be like one fair boy with fair call life. My children, they are so blessed to have you as their mother. You get where they are full protected with the blood of Jesus and me. God go use me to protect them. You feel like I say. See, I tell boy, I total. If you call to 12 o'clock, wake up me, you can bash. No use my sweat me, you go sleep. Oh, no use my cause. I go kill children. I go when you go sleep. Oh, I hope you get here though. Gear quoi? Don't need gear. Money.
Yeah, mommy.
Money. Oh my baby. I love you. Yeah, quoi? Nora, don't worry. If we come meeting, people there, we go to help you to look children. Now I say no. I know they expose my children. Now make not they see me for party anyhow. Also not be a party anyhow.
Yeah, good decision anyway.
You promise. Kakabola.
Wow.
Yes, now.
Yeah. Nonsense. You dey come. I let you come my house. Why do you bug me more than?
No, me Laura, I beg. These people where they come for your business, we go that place, go to the talk.
I go stress your life. When you take born, yeah, where blood. You say blood never dry for your body. When you take born, where blood never dry for your body.
Laura, I beg, calm down. No need to talk everything finish, I beg.
When you take born, where blood never dry for your body. If not be island, let they worry you. If not because then they worry you. So you take born, you say you see the girl
you dey talk, you dey give them power to talk. You go just ignore them like say you don't hear anything. You understand?
You never born. That person will never born, will not get nothing to lose. I dey ignore. As I say, get sicky children. I go use mouth.
I make her to get free for this life. No
I go eat them for that. Yeah, guy.
You get friend not good. When you say you go tell your, wetin dey pay you go tell your friend. You come go that is the last from back.
I said,
my Nora, just let them be. Let them be. Now their mouth they say they talk. Let them be, please.
I go shop una overnight. You can't work in here. I know they shop meat again. Yeah, I go use a chance of fish. I go shop una. I go drown now. We got blast. I blast. I move. I blast. I move. You can't just work in here. You can't really work. Wow. I go shop there for your head. You go and eat twins. Yeah, man, I see we go talk. Go shop twins. It will not destroy you. You want blood to not be more, mama twins. That nigga was a boss your head. He fever. Okay, wow, woo. You couldn't go carry belly your blood twins. You get egg. My egg, I be fever. You the leg. You the leg. Wow. Well, I work for now. Go and return your last baby to Ayelala.
That's what be for.
Your last baby, go and return it to Ayelala. No more egg. Egg is a protein. Egg is good for body. Go and buy egg. When you go to research and buy egg, go and buy egg. Use for 4 if you have to lose. We use for 4 egg a day. Not fried egg. Poor egg. Egg is a protein, good for body. When you're on diet. Wow. No, do I borrow a borrow a Mia? Do say that is not true. No, do I borrow a Mia? Why me? Why me? No, where I live, pork meat. I eat 4 eggs in a day. It's very good for health, for protein. It's good. Don't eat fried egg. Eat boiled egg. Who says no? Who says not true? You know, shake me as I be before me shake me as I be now. If you don't see big difference. You don't see my face? If you be like bro, be like Shiran. Only you want Natiri. Only you want Natiri people. I eat 3 eggs the morning. Go be where wow. You will leave children for us. You they call your friend for outside. When they go bath your children. Papa. Come, Papa. Why are you in your body, eh? Wow, woman, it's here. Odon, why you bomb with Beria? No, why you bomb with Beria? Girl, what should they do so my husband? Not good, or it's too quick. It's too quick, oh. It's too quick. That for don't tear bomb. Oh, you go out tear bomb. Oh, when me an lewe wasona, money me an lewe ya wasona. Money me a huenya wasona. If we have your way, take huenya. I go back for the spiritual and physical. Yeah, huenya money. Yeah, money when you wow. Google. Come up, picture. Around. Mommy picture snapping. Hey, Betty, I now more screenshot ni posting. Hey, Betty, no na bien. I now more screenshot the picture. Umeti mo picture gbo uhawa. No day. Umeti even don't know photo. Umeti ye phone ya mo picture gbo uhawa. He said benefit for screenshot. I don't know. When I la mo kona. When I la mo kona. Now drop body go la. It never tell you get belle. Who give you belle? Ayelala. Momo gwe ayelala o. Momo ge o. Ayelala golo money. Momo ge o le be okuwa. Momo ge o ayelala o. Momo ge o. Ayelala ne money. Momo ge o. Momo ge ayelala. Momo ge. Oh ya ayelala no. Momo ge o. Oh ya ayelala. Momo ge o ayelala o. Momo ge o. Ayelala mo ekonu e o. Momo ge o happy. Momo ge o no ya mo o. Momo ge o. Nera re you can no ma de okay o. Momo ge o ko. Momo ge o no ya mo. Ayelala nya he. Momo no jonu mu ge soni o. Momo ge o. Momo ge o no ya o. Momo ge jare. Momo get no yeah oh, Momo get oh, na ye la mo eko na oh, Momo get oh, no yeah, Momo get o men uno ge ogerize wa, Momo get no yeah, Momo get. When I la na eko, Momo get oh, Momo get we no yeah, Momo get. Moviaela la no mo ge o momo ge o moviaela ge momo ge o ayela la momo ge drop body go ayela la come settle back with the husband ogun agbazen or the name you want to answer the name married woman o castle. I go draw my husband go Elala. He go draw me go there too. My husband go swear for my enemy. I go swear for my enemy. Then we'll go remarry again. Over my dead body. Never. I'm not scared. Not in next life to answer that full name. Single mom. Yeah. My husband no. So I don't get shame. Not the fear. And anything we go make you know fear happen. Everybody go dey you. Everybody. Not be woman we go leave man. You know if you move on. Go see and see woman go want die. Go see and see get woman you go want craze. Go want craze. Husband carry go Elala. Your mother-in-law swear for you. Sister-in-law swear for you. Well, now cause they knock each other. Now cause they knock each other. What you know they knock? What you know they knock? Oh, wanna you gonna cause it get mad like that on your chest. I'm sorry for what I've done for you. I'm sorry for what I did. I'm so They don't see husband and wife not they abuse, you know they quarrel. Not to that extent. Going to Ailala. Lay curse on each other. You want to be there? I there with ma. It's not good though. Oh yeah, they la one. What you tell us now? Ma the for ye bumere oh ye mumela wow. Emi awon ja ipa idiots. Ogon gbaze. Emi awon ja. When they never log get a single mother. If you want to do comparative, I don't say no take care of your children. Take care of them. Do whatever you want to do with them, but say go be together as husband and wife. I go wash my hand, wash my leg, wash my peckles, wash my head. Never and never and never and never. Never. When that call someone want to marry, I said no, they marry again. I know they marry. I said la, I know they marry. No go they fear to bear that single mother. Are you okay? Single mother mama so where? Single mother like don't better pass 100%. Go and see single mother. Go look their hair, look their makeup, look their bag. Bare hair she no go bare. Oh yeah, the synthetic. It take shower. Me 500, 400 right the bare hair. I go pay until retire. See me to lawa. I tell you that day. I said if you want buy luxury hair, not buy her cash. Mama, no, not the buy her cash. I go lie for you. They hide the meet up. They hide the meet up. They dodge him on the law was me. They dodge a meet up. So they pay her cash as a mother. Leave her for the heaven.